Logging into Telegram might be simple, but if you've ever faced failed codes, two-factor issues, or too many attempts, you know it's not always smooth sailing. In this video, I'll take you through the Telegram login journey from rookie to pro. By the end, you will not just know how to log in, but you will have to master all the login challenges like a pro. Now, if you like this kind of content, please make sure that you subscribe. And for the record, we're about to hit 1,000 subscribers, so please make sure that you be part of that. We just want our channel to grow and to reach other audiences, so just make sure that you hit the subscribe button and like, turn on the notification bell. First things first, Telegram login process starts with download. Once you install the app, you verify your phone number, and here is where most people stop. But Telegram takes it further with two-factor authentication. You will be prompted to set a password in future logins, a security feature that can save your account later. After that, a quick setup with your name, username, and photo gets you started. Now let's talk about the common red flags. Ever seen the too many attempts message? That means that you've tried too often, and in this case, the only fix is waiting it out. Missing your verification code, make sure your SIM is active, check your SMS block issues, or try requesting a phone call instead. And those that are stuck with the incorrect 2FA password, don't panic. Telegram allows recovery using your backup email if you set it up. Without it, you need to wait till Telegram resets your account. Now, once you've understood the basics, it's time to level it up. Telegram works across devices, including desktop, web, tablet, and phone. You can log in and sync your messages whether you're linked your device or you're logging in using your number, logging in direct. Now, under managing multiple active sessions, you can view all devices connected to your account or log out of any remotely. Plus, if you run multiple numbers, Telegram lets you add more than one account on the same device, even with virtual numbers. Logging in is one thing, but again keeping your account safe is another. Update your 2FA password regularly and keep it strong. Then the other thing is be alert of phishing attempts. Telegram will never ask your password via message. Use the active sessions page to monitor logins. If you spot any suspicious, revoke it immediately. Finally, let's future-proof your account. Always back up your recovery email or phrase. Now, without it, recovering your account seems nearly impossible. On shared devices, set to auto-logout for extra protection. And lastly, stay updated. Telegram often releases new features and security improvements, so keeping your app updated means that you're keeping your login safe. So that's the Telegram login journey from rookie to pro. Whether you're just starting out or managing multiple devices, mastering these steps will keep your account secure and accessible. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever been locked out of Telegram? And how did you fix it? Please let me know in the comments below so that we take this conversation to the comment section. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.